Week on Sailing with the Litzenbergers.
Throwback to last season, Flapjack Occupy.
We are well on our way to North Carolina. There's like a lot of clouds and a lot of lightning like right off of our starboard stern.
I didn't see this on my cruise guide.
I did not either. This is your warning. This video contains content that might not be appropriate for all audiences. Good morning! Today we are going to attempt to leave Vero Beach yet again and head north just a little bit. Our weather window closed quite a bit as we were working on the motor, so we can't really make it as far north as we wanted to. But we still want to get out of Vero because it's so buggy and hot up here. We are just going to go all day in the ICW today, just test the motor out, make sure everything's all good, make sure we installed it all right.
How dare you?
This time.
No, last time it was installed just fine.
That's
Except
true.
for that falling off bit, but that wasn't necessarily my fault.
That's true. I'll give that to you.
There were some hidden complications.
It is literally so buggy out that we have not taken off the bug screens yet. We're just waiting till the last possible moment
wrap my body in those.
to get out there to
How
start
did,
motoring.
the 4 or 5 get in here? Where are they coming from?
They're the no-seam spins. They can fit through that screen.
Those motherfuckers.
Let's see if you guys can see any. Also, there's a big gap right here.
Yeah, man. Sounds good.
Sounds good.
Yeah, there's that fuel dock you almost hit last time. And there's that fancy ass yacht you almost hit too.
Hey, you have to tell them who we're traveling with.
You tell me we're traveling with B.
We're traveling with the old Island Pearl, Dave and Sherry.
Throwback to last season, Flapjack Occupy.
My name's Dave. Sherry likes to call me Ruckus.
Tell me when the hook's at.
Okay, bye Dad.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Oh, we left a little green mark. The mark of the octopus! The bridge is closing. No! Island Pearl!
I promised my wife I'd come home. You can't walk, we crawl. You can't crawl, I'll carry you, Rourke.
And action.
That's the shot, B.
Are you ready?
Yeah, waiting on you. You got a gear?
Yep. So we are well on our way to North Carolina. It's going to be a 2.5 day passage. We left from St. Augustine, which I know we didn't really film that much. We haven't filmed that much because we've actually been hanging out with our friends Dave and Sherry. We have been traveling with them up to St. Augustine through the Intercoastal, which is no fun to watch and no fun to film because all it is bridges and big ass houses and people waking the shit out of you. Sorry I left you out, but now we're on our way to North Carolina. Also, a little backstory. Back when we were in Belize, the Ray Marine that wasn't working, we sent in, and they sent us a new one for a generous $400. And when I started using it, I didn't like it. I hated the interface. So we switched out to the Garmin. But that meant that nothing talked to our chart plotter. So Dave helped Spencer and I install our Ray Marine chart plotter inside here at the pilot house. So now we have radar, AIS, we can see boats, they can't see us. And look how nice that is! It's especially nice because according to the forecast we got from Chris Parker, there could be some squalls tonight, so it'll be kind of interesting. This is the first time we've ever had radar, so we can track them and see where they are, which I'm really excited about.
We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. We got everything here, at least to stay alive. And the time that we share makes it all worthwhile. Got this place on our own. Do you feel that we got something strong? And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise that with you I feel alive. You'll be the last one I think about. We got time on our side. We're in a state of hope. I need you on my fire. I want you to know that every time you're away, I long for you so much I can find my way. And I saw you walking the line, and the truth may come as a surprise that with you I feel alive. You will be the last one I think about. When it all breaks down, I'll wait for you right here. And I swear that we got nothing to fear. It's a miracle that you and I are finally here.
First watch,
That's you.
that's me.
Get it?
6:30 to 9:30.
Yeah.
Yeah. Unfortunately, the wind died. I think it's supposed to be gusting like 18, but
Definitely not.
that is definitely not the case.
Okay,
So,
my bad.
I think a squall is behind us and it's sucking all the air out. So hopefully I'll be able to put out some sails in a few, like in an hour or so. I hope.
Your current status. Floppy sails. Sad engine.
Yeah, the weather report said it's supposed to be 10 to 15, gusting 18. It's been a very consistent 5. So we've been motoring a lot and we've been doing this a lot.
Welcome to Flop Town.
Yeah. Plus our sleep schedules haven't, I don't know if that sleep schedule is the best.
Now you don't like it?
I don't know.
Would the other one work better for you?
Don't you think it's hard to fall asleep in 3 hours?
Oh really? I think the 3 hours thing is fine. Yeah, I think the first shift sucks.
You falling asleep at 6?
Yeah. Normally in my sleep schedule I stay up as late as I can and I wake you up.
No, normally we went from 6 to 9.
Normally.
Look in the logbook.
You should look in the logbook because I think you're a liar.
No.
Do it.
Okay, it was different, you're right. 9 p.m. to 12 a.m. you were on watch.
Yeah.
12 a.m. to 3 a.m. I was on watch. 3 a.m. to 6 a.m. you were on watch. 6 a.m. to 9 a.m. I was on watch. Well, we should just do that again.
That's fine. I'll take a nap, but I like it.
Look at that, problem solved. The beauty of radar. There's like a lot of clouds and a lot of lightning like right off of our starboard stern. And I put put a waypoint on this radar, and it seemed like it was kind of moving towards us, so we kicked on the motor for a little extra speed. We're trying to run away. We'll see. Not sure if that's how this actually works. Some cool lightning.
Yeah, that's cool.
A little unnerving, but it's cool. I think it's moving off to the, like, up to the northeast of us. The problem when you, like, install something new and you don't fully understand it, it's like, you don't fully trust it either. It's like, it doesn't look like much on the radar, but clearly it looks like a shit ton in real life. Not to mention I totally screwed up Spencer's sleep. His off watch because I woke him up all nervous about this thing. Sorry, Spence. Okay, I think the threat was averted. Doesn't seem to show anything on radar, and the lightning has kind of subsided a bit, so that's really good. Now we can turn off the motor and get back to sailing. We weren't able to avoid all the squalls last night. It seemed like right when we were both at our most exhausted, a squall hit. It wasn't terrible, but we just didn't, it was cold, a lot of rain. We're not in Florida anymore. So then we decided to anchor out for just like an hour because we were close to shore and we need to wait for the current to switch through this inlet. And we both slept, which was great. Although I think we could still use like 36 hours of sleep. 2-day crossings are the worst.
Where are we at?
Wynnum Bay entrance.
We're at Wynnum Bay entrance and we're winning. We kind of had a rough night where we got in kind of early and we had to anchor out because of the tides and currents and wind bullshit up here. So we anchored out in open water in like 35 feet and got the shit kicked out of us for about 6 hours. And now we are coming into Wynnum Bay. And we were trying to use the ranges on the chart, which we can't find yet, so we're gonna probably make some content.
No, don't say that. Don't say that.
Let's see what else is going on. Our motor's going to shit.
Michael, don't say that yet.
No.
God damn it! Stop it!
I was just giving an update. I was just giving an update.
Stop it! This is miserable! Shit! I don't know if they can see him in the camera or if I just look like a fucking lunatic.
Just tell them what they are.
Horseflies are everywhere. Oh my god, look it! Ah! Ah! Damn it. What the fuck?
I didn't see this on my cruise
I
guide.
did not either. Thanks for watching, Fries. Make sure you're subscribed and you hit the bell so you get notifications every time we upload a video, which is every Friday. Here's a sneak peek of what's to come. The ICW has flooded. We need to go into a marina. You got it, Pickle!